Yep, you clicked for big Black Friday camping deals. And oh my gosh, these are so good.
Some as much as 40% off.
And a few might disappear fast, so don't wait. I'm Randy, and these are the deals I own and I love, or the ones that I wouldn't hesitate to buy in a heartbeat. And they're in no particular order, so stick with me. Some of the best bargains are sprinkled throughout this video, and there's a really fun one at the end. In a previous video, I reviewed and I tested 4 of Amazon's best-selling camping tables. And this Coleman folding table surprised me. It's lightweight, it's sturdy, and it folds down into a tiny small camper friendly package. This table is great for meals, prep, or extra campsite surface space. If you haven't found your forever camp
Table
yet, this could be the one. All deals will be linked in the description below. Or if you're watching on TV, just go to randysadventures.com/Black Friday 2025. Everything's right there too. Next is the best type of dinnerware that I've ever used for RV camping. These are wheat straw dishes. They're lightweight, dishwasher safe, microwave safe, and most important, they're unbreakable. I've dropped mine more times than I care to admit, and they've never broken. And for tiny campers, these are a space-saving kitchen must-have. If you want just one durable dish set that's gonna last, and this is the one. Now, if you've ever followed me for a while, you know that mosquitoes, they love me. I feel like they treat me like an all-you-can-eat buffet. And I've tried everything, candles, sprays, torches, and nope. But the Thermacell products, they've been a total game changer for me. It creates a scent-free, spray-free bubble of protection. And here's my pro tip. I always run 2 of them at the same time. If mosquitoes hunt you like they hunt me, grab these while they're on sale. This heater has saved me so much on propane. Because here's the thing, when we use our furnace, we burn through a lot of expensive propane fast. So I've been using this Duro 1500 oscillating
heater
instead of using my furnace, especially when I camp in the winter. And because it oscillates, it really keeps my whole camper warm. And it has all the safety features built in. And I just recently featured this heater in my winter camping gear video because it's that good. And right now it's a killer Black Friday deal. Not flashy, but up next is one of the most important pieces of RV camping gear that you'll ever buy. Yep, campground power can be sketchy. Just one bad hookup can fry your electronics and damage your RV. And that's a bill that nobody wants. This surge protector, it instantly tells you if the power is safe, and it protects everything inside your camper. If you don't have one, snag it now while it's on sale. The next big Amazon Black Friday week camping deal is something that you're gonna wanna use, especially if you love pizza. But I wanted to take a quick second to share another special big opportunity savings for you. And that's the AllStays app. AllStays instantly shows you the kind of camping spots that you actually want. State parks, quiet forest sites, overnight parking, public land, or sites that always have hookups, because you choose your own filters and boom, they show up on a map. And that's a big camping trip time saver. And my viewers get 10% off using the link in the video description below. So thank you, AllStays, for sponsoring this video. Okay, this next deal is deliciously fun. I recently did a full review on this Bighorn Outdoors portable pizza oven, and making pizza at my campsite was so much fun. I had a crispy crust, gooey cheese, and I couldn't believe I was eating gourmet pizza right at my campsite. This does fold down, but it also still does take up some storage space. So I plan to take this on those camping trips where I know that I'm gonna wanna make pizza. Your campsite or your backyard, this thing cooks pizza really fast, and it works with wood pellets or propane. If you've ever wanted that brick oven taste without the really big giant oven, this is a fun one. I used to guess how much propane I had left in my tank. I'd try to pick up and shake the tank and hope for the best. And then one day, surprise, it was empty. Not fun. This Mosquito sensor snaps onto your propane tank and then shows you the exact level on your phone. No more surprises and no more guessing needed. This next deal is simple, but so good. In small campers, shoes, they end up everywhere. On the floor, in the way, muddy and messy. And that's why this shoe bag has been a lifesaver for me. When my shoes get muddy or I bring more than one pair, I need a place to store them. So they go straight into this bag, I zip it up, and then I throw the bag in my drawer. Now I'm not tripping over my shoes anymore. Don't skip this one. Okay, spills happen. pets happen, and yes, even midnight snacks happen. I've had this bamboo mattress protector for over 3 years, and it saved my RV mattress more times than I can count, especially when my dog Princey got older and she had a few little accidents. Total lifesaver. It's soft, it's breathable, and it really washes up well. And I want to tell you, when I upgraded my RV mattress this past year, wow, total game changer. And honestly, if I didn't have this on my mattress, there's already been a couple of occasions when I would have ruined my brand new mattress. So yes, you really do need this. If you want to see exactly which RV mattress I upgraded to and why I love it, I'll also leave a link to that video in the video description below. Next is this tiny upgrade that's going to make a huge difference. Closets, cabinets, and the bathroom at night, all those dark spots, they magically become visible. This light, it's motion activated, rechargeable, bright, but not too bright, and you can stick them anywhere. I think this light is way better than those puck lights. And during Black Friday week, these are an easy grab. Now, if you like to camp without hookups like I do, a Jackery portable power station is a total game changer. I've had my Jackery 1000 for years, and I still use it all the time. And Jackery currently has 3 different deal sizes currently happening. So now's a really good time to pick the Jackery that's going to match your camping style. And real quick, here's how to decide which one's going to be right for you. First, the Jackery 300. It's super portable, perfect for phones, cameras, fans, and charging your small devices. The Jackery 1000. I think this one's the perfect in the middle sweet spot. This power station will keep all of my devices charged up several times. And the Jackery 2000 is definitely the powerhouse. This one's really going to help you stay off grid longer and power some of those larger appliances. If you don't have a Jackery during Black Friday week, this is the time to buy one. Okay, I'm really excited about this next one, and it's the BioLite Smokeless Fire Pit. Now, I haven't used one of these yet, but I'm going to be grabbing one of these ASAP so that I can do a full review on it because it looks really fun. You know how campfires are really fun except for when the smoke chases you around? This fixes that. It has a built-in fan that burns hotter and cleaner, so you're gonna have way less smoke. And you can grill on it too. This thing is perfect for your campsite, your backyard, or both. Oh, and yes, if I'm getting this fire pit, I'm definitely grabbing this carry case too. This is gonna make it easier to haul and easier to store in our outdoor storage area or in the back of our tow vehicle. Oh, and a really quick reminder, every link is linked in the description below so you can find it quickly. Okay, this next deal is an essential, and it's a tire inflator, because monitoring and making sure that our tires are inflated properly is critical for safety and for towing. This tire inflator is powerful. It uses rechargeable batteries and it shuts off automatically. I think this tool offers peace of mind in a small package. Okay, this next thing is really fun. The BioLite solar string lights are one of my favorite ways to jazz up my campsite. You may have seen them glowing in my recent glamping ideas video. It's 44 feet long, shatterproof, warm white, and solar powered. No cords, no batteries. I clip them onto my moonshade awning that I just got, and instantly my campsite feels magical. If you want more ideas that'll make your campsite look amazing, click here now to watch my 8 RV glamping ideas for a magical campsite. This video is packed with easy, fun upgrades that you can use on your next camping trip.